and thanks again for stopping by. As always, I hope this video finds you well. Hey, before we get into our delicious video today, I just want to remind you to please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so every time there's an upload, you know. Okay, so today we are doing a delicious what's in your smoothie? What is in your smoothie? I'm going to share what's in my smoothies. Okay, so everybody's taste differs, right? Yeah, of course. So I wanted to show you what I put in my smoothies. Little backstory. I always buy this this bag at Costco, and there's like 4 or 5 packs of pre-made smoothies in it. You know, it comes with all the greens and the fruit and all that fun stuff. So I was making one and I thought, you know what, I can make this myself and I think it would cost a little less. So I started putting together my own smoothie packs, and I've posted those on my Instagram before. If you haven't already, please follow me on Instagram. I'll put it right here, ding, 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 so that you can follow me on Instagram, and I show it step by step on how I put together my smoothie packs. So what is in my smoothie? Let's take a look. Here we go. Here are all the ingredients that I'm going to put in my smoothie today. So we've got some frozen mango, some fresh blueberry, fresh strawberries. I've got some ginger cut up, some raw almonds, and these are raw almond slivers, and frozen bananas. So I already peeled and froze my bananas, and then I've got my organic collard greens, and this mixture is made up of baby kale, baby chard, and baby spinach. I get it from Trader Joe's, but even Costco has a great collard greens mix. So, and then I've got some baggies, and I've used these over and over again when I make my smoothie. So once I put everything together and I freeze them, when I'm ready to make my smoothie, I like to just use coconut water and then whatever my favorite protein is, and I'll show you. Okay. So right now I am using this hemp protein powder, and then I just use coconut water, and this has aloe in it, I think, as well. I don't use ice cubes or put extra water or anything like that, because it just really waters down all the goodness that you're putting into the smoothie. So so that's what I use. Let me put these back. So, oh, and I forgot one other ingredient that I am putting in for the very first time, just out of curiosity, are beets. Let me know if you use beets. I've never chosen beets before. I don't even know if I've ever tasted beets before. I'm gonna do it right now just to get an idea. Doesn't smell so bad. Okay, there's not a whole lot of flavor to it, but it's filled with a lot of great benefits. Okay, so let's start our bagging, shall we? So I like to start with packing my greens in first. I'm just going to take a big handful, like so. And it doesn't have to be a whole bunch, right? Pack that in there. We're gonna do a handful of blueberries. I suggest when you buy your blueberries, if you're using blueberries, that you only rinse off the ones you're gonna use. Don't rinse off your whole container, because then you're washing off that protective seal, and then I think they will spoil a lot faster. So only rinse off what you're going to use when you're doing blueberries, even strawberries. Okay, so here are my strawberries. I've already cut and cleaned everything. I think I'll put like 3 per bag. We're going to put a piece of ginger, and this is about the size of my finger. Okay? And we're going to put a banana in there. Oh, and because I don't know how strong the beet is, and these are cooked beets, and I cut it in half because it's a lot. So I'm only going to put half of that in there, and then I'm going to pour in that's a lot. I wasn't planning on having that many. There you go. First bag down. Oh, I forgot my mango. Let's put some mango in there, shall we? A little bit of mango in there. Okay. All right, 1 bag down and 5 to go. And it's such an easy process. And I tell you, once everything is chilled and frozen and you're ready to make your smoothie, you just dump it in your blender. I'm using my nutribullet, my handy dandy nutribullet. This is the magic bullet, and it makes a great smoothie. So 1 down, 5 to go. So beets are low in calories, that's good to know, and a great source of nutrients, including fiber, folate, and vitamin C. Beets also contain nitrates and pigments that may also help lower blood pressure and improve athletic performance. Lastly, beets are delicious and versatile, fitting well into a healthy and balanced diet. That's good to know. So I'm glad I'm adding beets. Okay, so on to our next bag. Oh, that's a big one. Ooh. Keep forgetting to add my mango. Okay, so the fun part is over. We have got all of our smoothie packs made, and I think I need 6. And again, it was really easy and simple to do. You just make an assembly line of what you want to put in there and get your bags ready and just go down the line, and it looks great. So you can see I've got my banana, mango, my super greens, my strawberries, my blueberries, my raw walnut, and my raw almonds, and I've got some ginger in there, and I put in, hey, oh my gosh, did I put it in here? Beet. Did I forget one? Let's see. I don't think I put a beet in this one. Let me dump it out and take a look. Oh my goodness gracious. Let's see. Oh, I did. It's in there. There's my beet. Okay, so we've got our beet, and yeah, so then I'm just going to put everything in the freezer and freeze it overnight, and then tomorrow we'll add our protein powder and our coconut water and see if it all works. See if this blend actually tastes delicious. So come back tomorrow and we'll see what happens. So there you go. So come back tomorrow, we'll see what happens, and if this mixture or this combination of fruit and vegetable really tastes delicious. So that's it. Hey you guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, so every time I upload, you are notified. And thanks again for watching. Don't forget to visit me on Instagram at csamgram61. That's the letter C as in Charlie, Sam Graham 61, and see what I'm doing over there. So I'll put the link below. But there you go. That is my easy grab and go smoothie packs. So thanks again for watching. Take care, and I'll see you all in the next video. Very excited because we are going to make one of our smoothies, and I am starving right now. I'm so hungry, and it's, what time is it? Oh my gosh, it's already after 12. I haven't eaten at all today. So I am so ready for this smoothie. And it's super hot here in SoCal, so let's get started. So before we take one of our packs out, I've got my coconut water out ready, and I've got my protein out ready, and I'm also going to put in like a scoop of vanilla Greek yogurt. Okay, and that's really going to help thicken it up, in addition to the bananas being frozen, which is really going to make it nice and frothy. So will the yogurt. So let's get our pack out. Okay, so here is our pack. Let me get my cup out. And I'm blending with my NutriBullet. Let's go ahead and tilt this down so you can see what I'm working with here. Plug that in. Remember your small appliances to always unplug it, okay? Because it really helps save energy. So I'm using my Magic Bullet from NutriBullet, which I love using. And let's see here. So I'm gonna kind of like squeeze it in the bag, because that way it'll come out easier. Again, my ingredients are, let's see, I've got raw almonds, blueberry, strawberry. I put beet in there, trying for the first time, beet. Mango, and banana, and then I've got power greens, which I think is chard, spinach, and kale. Yeah. Okay. Push that down in there. Really good. That came out very easy. Okay, so let's go ahead and pour, I'm going to say about a cup of my coconut water, because you want it to blend really well. Okay, so about a cup there. We're going to put in our protein. Very good. Super excited. And then we're going to put in just a little bit of Greek yogurt, like a spoonful. Mix that. All right, let's put these items back. And put our lid on. Give it a good shake. And blend. Okay, I think we are good. Unplug. Normally what I do when I'm done, I let this sit and just really drip down. I go and do something else, and then I come back and it's ready. So, but for the sake of time, and we just want to taste it. Anyways. Okay. Put our cup on. Oh my gosh. cannot tell me there's a beet in there at all. So delicious, you guys. So there you go. There is my homemade do-it-yourself smoothie mix. Delicious. So I hope you make some. If you do, let me know. If you use the exact ingredients I use, let me know. Or if you try beet for the first time, let me know. Tag me. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell so that you get alerts every time I upload. And follow me on Instagram, csamground61. All right, you guys, cheers to your health. Thanks for watching. Take care.